Hello, do you want some candy? It's free, just come here.
Free candy. He doesn't know us. He's a stranger.
Come on, it's okay, I'm friendly. Just a little closer.
Tom, those small kids! I see them. I need to do something. Tom, what did you do?
It's all right, kids, we're here to help.
I called the police.
Morning, coffee is ready.
Thank you, Ben.
Morning, everyone! What's for best?
Shoes, Tom.
What about them?
Tie them, please.
Mom, have you seen my reading book?
On the kitchen table.
Oh, yes, thank you.
Eat well, both of you.
Can I have more toast? You already had 2 pieces. I scored 3 goals yesterday. 3, that's great, Tom. I'm the fastest in class. I'm faster than you. In your dreams, Lily. Want to race to school?
Before you go, I need to talk to you.
What did I do? Nothing.
It's important. There's been a report. A strange man near the school.
A strange man? Who is he?
Nobody knows him. That's the problem. He might offer you things, like candy or toys or help.
We shouldn't take them, right?
Tom, what do we do if a stranger is near the school?
Tell a teacher right away.
Exactly, right away. And don't go near them. Don't talk to them.
Don't touch anything they give us. What if I see him?
You take a photo from far away.
And give it to the teacher.
A photo is evidence. The police need evidence.
Like on TV.
This is important, Tom. You stay away from strangers.
I know, Dad. Mom, are we in danger?
Not if you're smart. And you are both very smart. What are the 3 rules?
Don't go near, don't talk, don't touch, and tell the teacher right away.
Bags, shoes, jackets, ready!
Lunch boxes.
Almost. 1 minute. Tom, stay with your sister after school.
I know, Mom.
I mean it. Lily, watch your brother.
I always do. She does not. Dad, are you coming to pick us up?
Mom is coming at 3.
Okay, bye, Dad. I'm going to score 5 goals today. You said 3 yesterday was a record. I'm breaking my own record. Great game, Tom! I scored 4. 1 more tomorrow. Tom, time to go. Coming! Did you hear? 4 goals? Mom's gonna be late.
What are those kids looking at?
I don't know. Someone outside the gate.
Hello, do you want some candy? It's free, just come here.
Tom, don't go near him. I'm not going near him. Something is wrong. Free candy. He doesn't know us. He's a stranger.
Come on, it's okay, I'm friendly. Just a little closer.
Tom, those small kids! I see them. I need to do something. Photo first. Mom said photo. From far away. Stay safe. Tom! Don't go near it! I'm not. I'm behind the pillar. What are you doing? Camera. Phone. Etching. Got it. I can see his face.
Now, teacher.
Lily, come with me. Where? We need Miss Park, now. Tom, what happened? I took his photo. You what? Is that safe? You stayed far away? Behind the pillar, far away. Okay, good.
Is Miss Park in her classroom?
I think so, last class of the day.
We need to hurry.
Should we knock? No time! Tom! Miss Park! There's a stranger at the gate!
Tom, slow down.
He's giving candy to small kids.
Show me. I took a photo. Here. Good boy, Tom. Stay here.
I'm calling security and the police.
The small kids, they were going near him. I'm calling right now.
Tom, you did it.
I didn't do anything yet.
Yes, you did.
I was scared.
Me too.
but Mom said what to do.
Yes, dark jacket, near the school gate. I have a photo. A student took it. Pronunciate photo.
Tom, what happened?
There's someone at the gate.
Is it dangerous? Mom is going to be so worried. Should we call her? Miss Park said stay here.
Come on, it's just candy.
Your parents won't mind. Step away from the gate, children. Please come inside. Sir, can I help you? I was leaving.
The little kids, are they safe now? I don't know, we can't see. Miss Park is handling it. Tom, you were shaking. I know. But you still did it. What if I got it wrong? What if her candy is just as children? Nice people don't give candy to children they don't know. Outside school gates. You're right.
The police are coming. Tom, you did exactly right.
Are the small kids safe?
Security moved them inside. They're safe.
Good. Tom, you're like a spy. You took a photo? My mom told me what to do.
Can I see the photo again, Tom?
Here.
Clear enough? Very good.
I hear them.
The police are here!
Wait here, you two.
Yes, Miss Park.
Can't we watch?
I can see Officer Green.
He's going to the stranger.
He can't run now.
Sir, can I speak with you, please? I was just leaving. Please stay where you are.
He can't get away now. I know. Because of you.
Do you have identification, sir? We received a report that.
Do you think he will go to jail? The police will decide. Good. It's Mom! Answer it! Mom, something happened!
There was a stranger with candy! I took a photo and he said you're...
Obviously safe?
We're okay, Mom? The police are here. I used the rules you taught me.
What did Mom say?
She's coming right now. She said she's very proud.
I'm proud too.
You are?
You're my little brother.
Please come with us, sir.
The child's photo is on this phone.
The small kids are safe. They're okay.
Who is Tom Watson? I need to speak with you, young man. You took this photo?
Yes, sir, from behind the pillar.
From a safe distance. This is very good evidence.
Mom said photo means evidence.
Your mom is right. You were very brave today.
I was scared.
Being scared and doing it anyway, that's the bravest.
He remembered what Mom told us this morning.
This morning? Where is your mother?
She's coming now.
I would like to meet her.
Tom! Lily!
Mom!
Oh, no! Are you okay? Let me look at you.
I'm okay, Mom.
Tom.
Mom, I used your rules.
I know.
Miss Park told me. I'm so proud of you.
I was scared, Mom.
I know. That's why I'm proud.
Mrs. Watson,
Yes?
your son protected those children today. He stayed far away. He took a photo, he told an adult. Exactly right.
I told him those rules this morning.
Then you helped catch this man today.
We both did.
Tom, you're going to be famous. I don't want to be famous. What do you want?
I want chips. And a long sleep.
After all that, chips?
I came as fast as I could!
Dad, I caught a stranger!
What? Tom, are you hurt? No, Dad. Come here. Amy, you remembered?
Every rule.
That's our boy.
Mr. and Mrs. Watson, Tom is one of a kind.
I'm really hungry. Can we stop for chips?
Absolutely.
The biggest bag we can find. Tom, today was the most exciting day.
More exciting than 4 goals?
Way more.
Tom,
Tom, let's go through what happened. The stranger came to the gate.
He had candy for kids he didn't know.
And what did you remember?
Don't go near, don't talk, don't touch.
And then?
Take a photo from far away. Tell Teach right away. And stay with Lily. I was scared too. But Tom didn't go near the stranger. That was the most important part.
Tom, what if you weren't sure?
If I'm not sure, I still tell a teacher.
Exactly, always tell.
What makes a stranger dangerous?
They want children to come to them with gifts or tricks. Safe strangers wear uniforms. Like police, like teachers. That's right, Zany Forns. Officer Green said I was brave.
You were brave as son.
Next time I'll take the photo.
There won't be a next time.
But if there is,
Tom, you were worried you got it wrong.
what if he was just nice?
The police will find out more.
What will happen to the stranger?
That's their job now.
Mom, why do strangers do that?
There are unsafe people in the world.
That's why we have our rules.
Tom, I'm glad you were there.
I'm glad you were there too.
Yeah, we're a good team.
How do you feel now?
Tired. But okay.
Today you help children. Children you don't even know. They look small. I love you, Tom Watson. I love you, Mom.
Can I have chips in my lunch tomorrow? Mom, is it school today?
Yes!
And it's a normal day grades rate.
Tom,
Yesterday, what are the 3 rules? Don't go near. Don't tell a teacher. Stay safe.
If you see something wrong,
Tell an adult right away.
And from far away, take a photo.
if you see something wrong,
Tell a teacher or your parents.
don't go near. Stay far.
Stay safe.